in eastern North Carolina, northwestern Hyde County in eastern North Carolina, northeastern Beaufort County in eastern North Carolina, southwestern Tyrrell County in eastern North Carolina, until 3 p.m. At 2:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Ponzer, or 21 miles southeast of Plymouth, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kilkenny, Ponzer, Pungo, Leakville, Pungo Lake, and Alligator Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Please send your reports of hail and or wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling the National Weather Service office in Newport at 1-800-889-6889. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Beaufort, Hyde, Tyrrell, and Washington.